Today we shall learn about three things. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, then Buddha Dharmam Sharanam Gacchami, then Buddha Sangam Sharanam Gacchami. We take refuge. We seek what? What do we seek? Sharanam Gacchami means we seek. I seek, we all seek. What do we seek? We seek enlightenment. Buddham means enlightenment. Buddham does not refer to a particular person called as Gautama Buddha. Buddham means enlightenment. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. It means I am seeking refuge in enlightenment. I am seeking enlightenment. I want enlightenment. I am going towards enlightenment. That is the goal of every human being. No animal being needs enlightenment. It's only human beings that need enlightenment. That does not mean that animal beings are more enlightened than human beings. That does not mean that. But it is the human purpose that the being in the human body should seek enlightenment. That is the meaning of the word, the phrase, the sentence, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. People ask me, Sir, what should I do? What is my purpose? Aha! Your purpose is not different from my purpose. Every human being's purpose is to seek enlightenment. Parents must be enlightened parents. Husband should be enlightened husband. Wife should be enlightened wife. Children should be enlightened children. The rulers should be enlightened rulers. The chief minister should be enlightened chief minister. The prime minister should be enlightened prime minister. The school teacher should be an enlightened school teacher. The bus driver should be an enlightened bus driver. The sitarist should be enlightened sitarist. The violinist should be an enlightened violinist. The tablaist should be an enlightened tablaist. The cook, the bawarchi, should be an enlightened bawarchi, cook. Everybody should be enlightened. That is the purpose of life, human life. That is the whole thing is put succinctly in the phrase, in the sentence called as Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Where am I going? I am going from less enlightenment to more enlightenment to most possible enlightenment. That is my travel. We are all enlightened. 0% enlightenment, or 1% enlightenment, or 5% enlightenment, or 55.56 enlightenment, or 67.80 enlightenment, or 99.99 enlightenment. We are all traveling on the path of enlightenment. Why we come here every day? Why we go and meet masters every day? Why we hear mastery from the masters every day? Because we are traveling enlightenment, we have to gather more and more light into ourselves. So, Buddham means enlightenment. How should we speak? How should we write? How should we interact with persons? How should we sleep? How should we eat? What should we eat? What should we see? What should we think? What to read? What not to read? All this constitutes enlightenment. So we seek every given moment to be a better writer, to be a better reader, to be a better speaker, to be a better community person, social person, everything. That is called as Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. We seek enlightenment. You cannot get enlightenment until you know what is life after death. There are two types of enlightenments. One which does not concern life after death, and one that concerns life after death. There are two types of enlightenments. Without taking any consideration of what happens life after death, what is the soul, what is reincarnation, without all these things, there is a basic enlightenment, what to speak, what not to speak. Basic courtesy between human beings, basic politeness between human beings, and compassion towards animal kind. So there are two types of enlightenment, my dear friend. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami means it includes both the types of enlightenment. Basic, rustic, common sense in the material world, and also the spiritual wisdom. Buddhi means two things: material wisdom and spiritual wisdom. Supposing you throw so much rice, you eat, half of it you throw in the plate, then that is not material wisdom. You are stupid. You cannot. You must take only that much which is required for you and eat the whole thing. The plate should be clean. And there should be no dirt anywhere. You should not throw dirt anywhere. Waste things. This is all material wisdom. Buddhi concerns material wisdom and spiritual wisdom. Don't you have buddhi? ఏంద్రా బుద్ధి లేదురా నీకు? क्या हो रहा है आपको? So buddhi means it's a tremendous word. A buddhi is the quintessence of enlightenment. Buddhi is equal to material wisdom plus spiritual wisdom. This is the equation you should learn.